of us, we are looking forward to something tonight, isn't it? It could be your leaders going up the stage. Maybe you're looking forward to the beautiful cover of the magazine for this quarter. I hope it did not disappoint. I know all of us, we are here up until this hour because we are looking forward to something. Tama ba? If you ask me, more than the magazine, more than anything, I am looking forward to listening to this person, and her name is Claudia Ong, our Senior Director of Freeway International. See, to the technical department, I know I only have 5 minutes, but please don't turn off the microphone for me. Is that okay? Is that okay, guys? Okay? You know, if you stay here for 30 more minutes, 1 more hour, pero ang kapalit niyan is that you will be more successful when you get out of this room. Well done! Is that okay? So, sige lang, ingay. There is a very big celebration happening in the whole of Freeway International right now. And that is, in the next coming month, we are celebrating the 5th anniversary of Freeway Europe. Because there is Freeway Europe. And you know what? Thinking of Freeway Europe, I remember the first time that I visited Freeway Europe, I think 3 years ago. Sa ato-ato lang, May, sa atin-atin lang to, libakon akong kamay ang Freeway Europe. Is that okay? Freeway Europe, when I first saw Freeway Europe, there were some leaders that when I first look at them, they seemed so stubborn. Why? Because a lot of them, they did not wear proper black attire. A lot of them insisted on going up the stage with their small children. A lot of them were doing so many things that by Freeway standard, it's not standard. And so when I looked at Freeway Europe 3 years ago, I told myself, this is going to be a very, very impossible job. And at the time, in Freeway Europe, I met our Senior Director, Claudia Ong. And I told to myself, looking at her, she is going to have a very, very hard time in Europe. Because for me, looking at all these Europeans, standing really, really tall, looking so stubborn, parang ang lalaki nila tingnan, feeling ko ang hirap-hirap i-influence ng Freeway Europe. But you know what? Claudia Ong, I believe, spent a lot of time in Freeway Europe. Today, Freeway Europe is the fast-moving market in the whole of Freeway International. And I believe it's because of our leader, Claudia Ong. Pwede bang palakpakan natin si Claudia Ong? And so, 2 months ago, our first quarter leaders recognition night, Claudia Ong was also here. Tama ba? And I know that wherever she goes, every time she stands on stage, I know something, a market always becomes better afterwards. And she did not fail me. Because 2 months ago, not half a year, not 1 year ago, 2 months ago she was here. And she talked about Filipino leaders. She talked about how Filipino leaders, you know, should not be just good at talking, but we must also good at executing things and actually achieving things for ourselves. Am I right? And you know what? She did not disappoint because 2 years after, which is today, something has happened. Something has changed. Today, Freeway Philippines is so much better 2 months ago. Am I right? And that is why you see so many leaders going up the stage tonight despite the very, very harsh conditions of the market right now. Pwede bang palakpakan natin lahat ng star achievers of Freeway Philippines? And thank you to Claudia Ong because you always give us a chance. You always give Filipinos a chance. And that is why today I am looking forward to seeing her. I am very much looking forward to following her for the rest of my days inside Freeway. See, our General Manager, James Shaw, mentioned earlier, who you follow matters the most in this kind of business. We have a very good product, tama ba? 17 years in the market with only 1 health supplementation. What does that tell us today? That today, Freeway is right for the past 17 years. We don't need so many ingredients. We don't need so many products. We only need the right supplementation, and that is for Dear Placenta. Today, we look at Freeway International today. Today, we have a very generous plan. That plan is, you come in, I have been here for quite some time, and we all share an equal and fair playing field to do good in the market. Isn't that right? So you see, all of us, we have the same product, we have the same plan, we have the same events, we have the same potential market here inside Freeway Business. But how come, like what James mentioned earlier, not everybody achieves the same thing? Some people earn smaller, some people can earn bigger, some people they have bigger teams, some people they have smaller teams. And so we must understand that the difference between our success today, our team's success today and tomorrow, is that the kind of people that we have in our business and the kind of people that we follow inside the business. So we go back, who you follow matters the most in this kind of business. Because no matter how good the product is, no matter how potential the business is, if you follow, for example, people whose mindset is always to cheat on others, then you will not last long in the business. Because people will run away from us. Isn't that right? And so today we must understand, we have all of the tools. In fact, we have unlimited resources and tools inside this business. But what matters the most is who we choose to follow inside this business. I know. I'd rather that you hate me for speaking here for an hour, than feel good because I will cut my talk short, but it's okay. See, I want to share, I want to look back. Who are our leaders today? Is that okay? Because we have to be able to answer the question, who really is a leader? Are leaders found? Are leaders simply found when you go out there and try to look for a leader? Is that it? Or are leaders nurtured? I want to go back. The last time, I wanted to become really, really successful. And I had a very, very clear plan in mind. The plan was to become an extraordinary person by being an ambassador of the Philippine government. So I had everything planned in front of me. I will finish international studies in college. After that, I will take up master's in foreign service. And then after that, I will apply for a job at the Department of Foreign Affairs. And after that, I will do really, really good and maybe kiss some ass, to climb up the ladder inside the Department of Foreign Affairs. And after that, take up law, and then become a lawyer, and then be friends with the next president of the Philippines, and then become an ambassador. Is that a good plan? Everything was planned out. I knew exactly what I wanted. I knew exactly where I was headed. But you see, sabi nga nila, when you plan, God laughs. Because I planned a lot of things. What I did not plan is that few years after, I would have a special child brother who I will have to take care of for the rest of his life. What I did not plan is that my mother and my father would separate, turning my mother into a single mother. What I would not plan is that my whole life will be full of struggles, will be full of pain, will be full of lackness because single mother. What I did not plan is that I would have 2 kids at an early age. What I did not plan is that even after getting a diploma from a very big university in Mindanao, I would still end up jobless for 3 to 4 years. And so after everything has failed, after all my plans have failed, the question is, what do you do? What do you plan on doing when everything else fails? And just like a lot of Filipinos, I started to recalibrate my dream. And I started talking to God, Lord, sige, dili na lang ko mamahimong extraordinary person. It's okay, I don't want to be successful anymore. I just want to be a good provider to my kids and my family. Please allow me to become a factory job worker in Taiwan. Just when I was about to give up on my dreams, just about when I was about to give up on success, Freeway International was introduced to us, and then it was all clear. Today, I am very grateful for all of the rejections. Today, I am very grateful for all of the denials. Today, I am very grateful of all the failed plans because Freeway was never part of the plan. And yet, when I started to do Freeway, everything changed for the better for me and a lot of Filipinos. If you ask me, sino ba talaga ang leader? Looking back, if Raymond Tong, the one who started this among Filipino community, Looking back 9 or 10 years ago, a single mother like me would be the very last person that he would look for to do business with. Tama ba? I would be the last person that he would think of. And yet, Raymond Tong, Riway International welcomed me, welcomed a lot of us, no longer looking at our present circumstances, but looking at us with who we can potentially become inside this kind of business. And so right now, when you talk about leader, a leader, it could be a single mother. It could be a broken person. It could be a penniless person right now. It could be anyone who may not have the most ideal things in life. But so long as you have the willingness, in fact, the desperation to change your life for the better, you are a leader and you are welcome inside Riway International. So the question now is, if who we follow matters the most, is Riway International a good leader? Because we have to be able to ask. And you know what? I can give you a million reasons why Riway is a good leader, but I will focus on one. And that one reason is that for the past 8 years, I have seen Riway has never given up on us. Riway has never given up on the Filipino people. Riway has never given up on you and me. See, Riway knows how to create success. But Riway does not only know how to create success. Riway knows and is willing and is more than able to help us achieve success. And that is because we have a very much concrete 17-year-old system that will back us up the moment we decide to come inside Riway business. Riway understands, the boss understands, that outside, it is very hard to become successful. Because outside, you have to rely so much on your own abilities. You have to rely so much on your own skills. You have to rely so much on your own charisma. Dapat magaling kang mambudol. Dapat maganda ka, gwapo ka. But no, Riway understands from the very beginning that a lot of times, people are just waiting for the right chance, right opportunity, and right timing for the leaders inside of them to come out, to unleash their utmost potentials. And that is why this stage, this is just one of Riway's system stage. And this stage is full of opportunities. Pwede bang palakpakan natin sa Riway International? Now, no doubt, Riway is a good leader. Because if not, only few leaders will be standing here on stage. But it's because Riway is a good leader. That's why hundreds or even thousands of people are successful today because of Riway system, because of Riway leadership. Right now, the question is, the team that I belong to, Jubilee Diamond team, is it a good leader to follow? You know what? I will not promise you so many things because I am just human. I will always disappoint people along the way. Jubilee Diamond leaders are also humans. We will definitely disappoint people along the way. But here is what I can guarantee you. Jubilee Diamond team is a good leader to follow in the Philippines simply because we want to last long in the business. That's it. So may I ask, sino ang mga dalaga dito? Mga dalaga? Mga dalaga? Mga dalaga? Okay? Mga feeling dalaga? Okay? I have a question. Today, if somebody comes to you, guwapo na lalaki, mayaman, mapera, matipuno, yummy, lumapit sa'yo, tapos sabihin sa'yo, uy, tayo na, mag-boyfriend-girlfriend tayo, pero yung contract natin is only 6 months. Would you say yes?
No!
Would you say yes?
No!
What if si Piolo Pascual ang mag-offer sa'yo? What if sabihin niya, uy, mag-boyfriend-girlfriend tayo, Piolo Pascual gwapo, matalino, mayaman, maginoo, matipuno, yummy? Definitely. But if he offers, pero pag sinabi niya sa'yo, tayo na, pero overnight lang, papayag ka ba?
No!
Are you sure, Piolo Pascual?
No!
Of course not. We would say no. Simply because we do not want to lose our value. Today, Riway International, today, Jubilee Diamond Team is the best thing for you. Simply because we want you and I to last for as long as we can in the business. When you want something to last in the business, isn't it that you will take care of it? Isn't it that you will nourish it? Isn't it that when problems come, you don't run, you don't hide, when things are inconvenient, you don't stop doing the business. Because what you want is a long life. It's a lasting partnership. Palakpakan po natin ang Jubilee Diamond Team. So to all of the people who are here, I have two messages for you. Number one is that you decide. Decide. There are two kinds of decisions, the easy decision and the hard decision. Now, the easy decisions, from the word itself, easy. It's very easy to decide, on temporary relief. It's so easy to decide on things that will give us immediate but short-term solution. Now, the other decision, it's the harder one. It's hard to decide long-term, but what I can guarantee you is that if you decide hard now to do Riway, it will save you from a lot of pain, a lot of heartaches in the future. Decide to do Riway. Number two, when do you decide? Do you wait for such a long time before you decide? A lot of people, they wait for better things to happen before they decide. A lot of people, they wait for the fog to clear before they decide. We always say that the best time to plant a tree was 5 years ago. The best time to invest in real estate was 5 years ago. And so the best time to decide to do Riway is now. Maybe not 5 years ago. The best time to decide is now. But I know it's very hard to decide. See, you don't have to have a complete picture of the entire staircase. You don't have to have a complete forecast of what is going to happen. You don't have to have a full understanding. What you need is to hesitate less and trust more. What you need is to build up your courage a little bit more. What you need is the right people to follow. Riway is the right company to follow. Jubilee Diamond Team is the right team to follow. And all of the leaders in front here are the right leaders to follow. Palakpakan po natin yan. Decide now, and I dare you. I dare you to move. I dare you to believe. I dare you, whoever you are right now, wherever you may be coming from, I dare you to overtake all of the people seated in front. Because Riway system, it will allow you to do such. I dare you to overtake Raymond.